forecast for today. Now here's a
Oh, there's that turn right here too.
What?
Thunder, there's a big storm moving in.
I don't even know why I'm recording because I'll just
Weather
delete
advisory here
it.
in Old Mexico.
I just want to
Flash
see it.
flood warning. That's not good.
What is he talking about?
Heavy rain.
Why is it
Guess
wet
what,
here,
folks?
guys?
It has begun, at least on the left side. Oh, lightning just knocked out all the screens. Well, let's watch the rain come down. Oh, it's coming down. Pretty heavy, pretty steady. But you know what? I think the rain is manageable. Yes, we are going to be just fine. Well, maybe not. I just heard a low rumbling sound. That would indicate a flash flood, headed straight for the tram. Al's forecast right on target. Left side, flash flood.
Aaron, come here!
Look out.
That's cool. Whoa.
You may recognize
Okay,
this
spray it.
area. We used it in our hit movie